guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can extend your photo background in CapCut PC. So it only works with pictures of faces, I think, but for instance I have this picture and I kind of want to extend this like black area without having to like zoom in because I wanted to make it my profile picture, for instance. So to do that, I am going to select the AI stylize section, go to style, and I'm going to select autofill. And I'm just going to wait for that to process a little bit. And it's going to, okay, that is not the most accurate, but I guess, well, if I zoomed in a little bit, it's not going to be. What about this one? Okay, now, okay, that works better than the first one, but as you can see I can like make it so that it's not super zoomed in. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It won't be super accurate, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.